Here's something nifty I just discovered. You take 2 carrots. Well, 1 carrot cut into small slices. Nothing special about these carrots, nothing magical. There's no metal inside these carrots. They're just raw carrots that I cut, and I'm going to put them inside of a microwave. I'm going to touch them together so that they're physically touching. Put them inside the microwave. And when you run the microwave, watch what happens. Take a look at these carrots. They're hot to the touch, but, I mean, they're in a microwave. But look. Carbon scoring on both carrots. I can rub it off. It's on the surface. Beneath, there's no metal. There's nothing inside these carrots. Just prove it again. Touch them on sides that don't have carbon scoring on them. Carbon scoring is facing out. Press start. Holy crap. And it smells like burnt carrot, but I mean, you know, you'd expect to have a smell of burn with this much carbon scoring. Wow.